Are you struggling to take a double hairpin corner? Well, fear no more. Today I'm going to explain the racing line and speed secrets, which will hopefully help you improve your lap time. For our first example, the hairpins are closely connected. Your objective should be to drive these corners in such a way where you're maximizing your exit speed at the exit of the second hairpin turn. To do this, you need to enter the first hairpin corner as wide as possible from the outside edge. We're going to establish our braking point and hit the brakes hard, getting the rear end of the kart rotated as we target a late apex for the first hairpin turn. This is very similar to how you'd take a normal hairpin turn. Now the way this changes is because on exit of the corner, you're going to divert the kart towards the middle of the track. Remember, our revs are quite low now, so we don't want to waste meters. Keep the kart in the middle of the track. Now that you're building up your revs, your objective is to take the second hairpin corner absolutely flat out. The key here is to initiate an early turn in and combine that by leaning your body to the outside. Remember, we're trying to pick up the inside rear tire, and this will help you rotate the kart and target a late apex for the second hairpin turn. By taking a late apex and the second hairpin corner absolutely flat out, you've now maximized your exit speed, which was our objective in the first place. For our next example, we're going to analyze this indoor go-karting track scenario, and the concept is the same because we're going to enter the first hairpin corner from the outside edge. We're going to get our braking done, really rotate the rear end of the kart as we target a late apex for the first hairpin turn. By targeting a late apex, we're now going to direct the kart to the middle of the track. Again, we don't want to waste meters. Keep the kart in the middle of the track. It's important to keep your foot pinned to the accelerator pedal because you're preparing to initiate an early turning to take the second hairpin turn absolutely flat out. Make sure you lean your body to the outside to lift that inside rear tire. We could have apexed a bit closer in this case, but nonetheless, we're setting our sights at the exit of the corner to maximize our exit speed and use the full width of the track. So the important thing to understand is that your revs coming out of the first hairpin turn are going to be low. So to mitigate this, keep the kart in the middle of the track on entry of the second hairpin turn. Avoid entering the second hairpin turn all the way from the outside edge again, because that way you're just wasting meters. And this line is very effective for overtaking because you can pass drivers on the entry to the second hairpin turn if they leave the door open because they're entering it too wide. Let us know in the comments what techniques you use to take a double hairpin corner. And if you did enjoy today's video, then be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more karting tips and tricks.